This is the story of Sparky. For now, he is in that egg right there, waiting to come out. Unlike his brothers and sisters, all born with big, strong wings and on their way to explore the world, Sparky has teeny, weeny wings and is not able to fly long distances. Sparky's big dream is to discover new places and create loads of memories along the way. Since flying with those little wings clearly is no option, Sparky has to come up with some ingenious plan. Maybe this should do the trick. Nope. Plan B it is. Nope again. Ah, the old-fashioned hand glider. It is pretty high up, but anything for the dream. Too bad for Sparky. The hand gliding option is off the table. With a little envy, Sparky looks at all those people exploring far away. Beautiful places in those big winged machines. If only there was a way to get in one of those. Ta-da! Sparky has done it! He's now traveling to the most beautiful places, creating memories for life. So next time you travel with Sunweb, be sure to check your luggage. There might be a little Sparky in it.